Hi everybody. I was making lasagna at home, so I'm just going to let you know what I did. These are the vegetables I used, and you can use any vegetable you like. I just used whatever I had. And this is the lasagna express, which I didn't have to boil just because it can just go in the oven directly. Also, I used this cheese, the marble cheddar cheese, because I just like it. And the different sauces with it. I use the pasta sauce, a lot of it, because I need to steam my vegetables and lasagna inside the oven. And I also used hummus and and also salsa because they have different flavors and I like it. So put oil in a pan and start frying your vegetables, which are already cut in smaller pieces, whatever you like, and start from the hardest vegetables to the softest. Don't put the soft vegetables first. Put the hardest ones out first. You can put accordingly whatever you like the amount. I just put less tomatoes since I have a lot of tomato sauce already, but I wanted to have a lot of flavor for the other vegetables. And flavor your like vegetables with salt, black pepper, and if you want to, you can put other hot sauce or any kind of sauce you like. But I just wanted to make it simple, so I just used salt and pepper. Okay, so fry these vegetables to up to 5 to 10 minutes. Don't fry them too much since we have to cook them again. After you fry them and they look a little bit golden, you take them out and you leave them on a side in a plate. So the vegetable look golden and crunchy. Okay, I use the same oil I fried the vegetables in and put the mincemeat I bought, and it has already flavor like salt, pepper, and coriander, and a little bit red chilies in it. I fried them until the water dried up and added pasta sauce in it, and I will cook until it's all mixed up properly. A little bit water was added also just so the meat doesn't stick to the pan. So you can add accordingly and again put spices, flavors, what you like, salt and pepper again since I wasn't sure it's enough in there. And after that, I cooked it for 5 to 10 minutes and added my vegetables again. After vegetables, again, I wait for the water to dry and oil to separate, and then I close my stove. Now I'm starting with my layers of lasagna. So lasagna layer first, cheese, and then the meat sauce. Again, lasagna layer, cheese, and the meat sauce until I was out of meat sauce. So that's the last layer. And then I just made sure it just goes all the way in the corners. So after that, I added one more lasagna layer and then started adding hummus on top of the last layer. And after I was done with the hummus, I put my salsa sauce on it. And fully spreading the salsa sauce everywhere, and then a cheese layer on top of it for my last layer. Cover with aluminum foil and put it in the oven for 45 minutes and then take the aluminum foil off. After almost 1 hour, your lasagna is ready. And I actually liked it. It's a little bit crispy. I should have added more sauce, but it's delicious. Thank you for watching.